Travels with Wyss.
So I've arrived here at Majestic Caravans, and I've been very lucky because Laz apparently is away at the moment. So I've got Liz, which is fantastic. Now we go back a long, long way, Liz, don't we? Right from the start.
Certainly do, right from the start, Roy. It's a pleasure to have you here today. So yes, thank you for coming.
No, look, honestly, if it wasn't for Majestic, I probably would never, well, I know I wouldn't have started Sunland because we were your first dealer in Queensland, and I've become the inspiration to start building our own. And we got a lot of assistance of Laz in the early days as well, which was fantastic. So it's been a long time and a lot of learning along the way as well.
It has been a long journey, but it's been a great journey. And it's been a pleasure, working with you, helping, assisting, and very grateful that, you were one of our first dealers that we ever started with, especially in Queensland. It's been just a great time, through over the last, 20 odd years. It's been fantastic.
It's been fun.
Yeah.
There's we've just gone through the factory and had a look at what you're doing down there. And as with a lot of manufacturers, I guess, you have innovated, but you've kept some of that core stuff happening, which I absolutely love. Because a lot of that core stuff that we did back in the day is still applicable today. And when they start building caravans today, they don't always know why they're doing it. And the reason they're doing it is because some of the things that we were doing back in those days. So I'm actually really pleased to see the construction that you're doing. Now, you buy your chassis in from
ARV, our supplier.
Yeah.
Great chassis. So it comes in as a bare chassis, and then obviously we do pretty much everything else in-house.
And suspensions, do you do different types of suspensions?
We do. Our main suspensions that we use are Cruise Master. They're probably our biggest one. We do use Alpha here and there, but Cruise Master is
your most one?
Yeah.
And
we've been doing it for a little while now, and it's been working, fantastic for us. So yeah.
What sort of warranty are you putting on your caravans?
So we do a 3-year warranty on the construction of the caravan, and obviously, all the appliances are manufactured by each of their own manufacturing. So yeah, but the construction of the caravan, 3 years.
Are you doing off-road caravans nowadays?
Yes, we are.
Because we actually had the what was the Night? Was it?
We've got the Night, and our off-road one is the Navigator.
The Navigator.
The Navigator is our biggest seller at the moment, which is our off-road caravan, and I think, we've always been in that mid-range where, we had the Night, and now we've brought out the Navigator, which is got pretty much all the bells and whistles at a fantastic price as well. So for us, that's probably been our biggest seller.
Beautiful.
That we've got, yeah.
Something else that people don't know about is you guys have been involved in charity and things like that throughout the years. Children's Hospital, was that one of the ones?
So the Good Friday Appeal, the Children's Hospital in Victoria, is one of our major charities that we've got, and we've been doing that for 22 years. So we donate a caravan to the Good Friday Appeal every single year for the last 22 years. And
wow.
It's been, an amazing thing to do there. It's a great charity, and it's been a really, really great journey. So yeah.
You just had some excitement with a winner recently, haven't you?
Yeah, so the winner this year of the caravan, Ashley, a lovely young girl from Geelong region, won the caravan, and she was ecstatic. We handed the van over to her last Friday, just recently married, and was absolutely amazed that she won it, and already planning her trips with the caravan. So I was, so happy for her. Yeah, another person on the road with a Majestic that's happy.
Another Majestic out there on the road,
Yeah.
which is fantastic. So you've been going for how many years?
24 years now.
24 years?
Mm.
Wow, it seems longer than that.
It does seem longer than that. It actually seems, obviously Laz has been in the industry for a lot longer than that. Majestic as such has been going for, 24 years.
24 years.
Yeah.
So Liz, what's next for Majestic Caravans? What's your plans from here?
Our plans are to obviously keep building custom-built caravans is probably what we need in this country. So I think that off-road market, you know, the entry-level to mid-range off-road market is very important. Australians still want to travel in our country.
And not everyone's got $300,000-$400,000 to spend on one of these big rigs, have they?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, that $300,000-$400,000 also comes with, you know, additional costs of cars and everything else that comes along with it. So I think we just, you know, we're focusing on, you know, your everyday person who wants to travel and can afford to travel. And that's what we're about. You know, we're a family-run business, and, you know, we're here to continue that tradition.
So you've kept yourself at a reasonable size, a very manageable size.
Yeah.
You do have one dealer in Geelong?
Geelong, correct.
Yeah.
And we've got our own yard in
your own yard in Caboolture, which I know because I've been in there and met Alex. We've had a bit of fun together.
Yeah.
I go back a little way with Alex. He's a good bloke.
It certainly is.
So tell us a bit more about your Geelong dealer.
Okay, so Southern RV in Geelong is our representation in Geelong. So we've got a long-standing, you know, representation in Geelong. We used to have our own yard in Geelong, and at one stage we didn't actually have any dealers. It was just us, our own, direct to the public. But then COVID happened, and we had to decide, you know, what we needed to do. So that's when Rodney came along from Southern RV, and he has been representing the brand very well and doing a good job of it. Geelong is home for Majestic. Been there for, you know, over 20 years.
Wow, okay.
And, you know, we continue to...
So if you live in the Geelong region, you know where to go for that.
For sure, yeah. And they'll definitely look after you over there.
But you've always had, I mean, right from the early days with us, you've always been well represented in Queensland as well. It's funny, it's a Victorian brand that's always done really well in Queensland. Yeah. Which is awesome to see.
And you guys were, you know, all part of that too. So, you know, when we started
back in those days,
you know, we started off in Queensland. We originally actually started in Geelong. Like I said, Geelong's always been home for us, you know. But then, you know, straight after that was Queensland, and we've been there ever since. And, you know, that feels like home to us as well. So, yeah.
Cool. So what about caravan shows? Now, I noticed you weren't at the local Cranbourne show, but you're sort of aiming to do some shows but not get involved in all these hundreds of shows that's around. They're very expensive to do, aren't they?
It gets expensive, and it's the timing and the manpower as well. So you just need to figure out, you know, which ones are going to be suitable for you and which ones are not. You know, it's the whole logistics of it, you know, whether it can be done. So at this stage, we're just picking and choosing which ones we think is good for our brand. So, you know, Cranbourne was a new show as well. And it kind of just came up suddenly as well, probably not prepared for it as much as what we probably wanted to be. But otherwise we would definitely be doing, you know, a lot more shows than we probably normally have.
Yeah, okay. And I mean, you are a family business. Are the kids going to get involved?
I don't know, we'll see. They keep on asking, but, you know, they're still, you know, late teenagers, but, you know, just want to see their own path first, and, you know, we're there to help them, you know, guide them, but they need to choose their own path.
And that's actually the reason that Laz isn't here. Laz is actually looking after Dad and actually going on a trip with Dad overseas at the moment, isn't he?
Yeah, he is. Yeah.
But hey, the good news for him is he's got someone here capable of looking after business. And when Liz and I went walking around the factory, it's quite clear that she's got the attention of the staff. They don't mess around when she's around.
I'm not that scary. I can be. But yeah, I think it's just a respect thing. And most of our people that are working for us and with us, they're part of our family. So a lot of them have been with us for a long time. And I think everybody knows what needs to be done and when it needs to be done. So, you know, if sometimes you need to, you know, have a serious conversation, you do, but...
Of course you do.
Yes.
So getting back to shows, we've got the Brisbane show coming up in June, and I heard a whisper you're actually going to go and do that show yourself.
I will be at the Brisbane show, definitely. I'm looking forward to it, and I'm looking forward to you coming in helping us out at the Brisbane show if you
You want me to come and help you on the show stand?
That would be awesome. Just like old times, you know?
Well, actually, you know what? I think I'd really like to do that.
Oh, that would be fantastic, Roy.
It would be. It would be like old times. So, yeah, okay.
Yeah. Back in the times, you know, where we used to pull apart the Majestics and see what needs to be done or whatever, I think it would be fantastic.
Okay, that sounds awesome. You got yourself a deal. I'm going to go and do the Majestic stand.
Thank you very much.
All right, thanks. Listen, again, you've been fantastic. You've given me plenty of time, which I truly appreciate. I love to see the fact that you guys are still going strong and doing well, and that you're involved with the community the way that you are, and that you're such a family-orientated business, and you're still producing a darn good product. And I love the fact that you didn't get caught up into trying to build these 26-foot, $300,000 caravans that they've all gone crazy with, that you need, you know, an armoured truck to tow around Australia. I love the fact you've sort of stuck to your guns on that as well, which is fantastic.
Yeah, thanks, Roy.
So having said that, we better have a chat about, because you know I'm in the market for a van as well.
I know you are, yes. I know you are, so we'll definitely have that conversation now.
All right, so hey guys, keep watching my channel. If you like this sort of content, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, hit that notification button. And I really want to get your comments. I want to know what you'll think. Maybe you've got a couple of questions you think I should be asking Liz. Nice ones.
Roy Wyss.